In this video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted videos on Meta AI. First, open the Meta AI app or go to the official Meta AI website and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen and select the gear icon. This will open the settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Help and Support. From here, select Submit a Report. Now, in the description box, clearly explain that your videos were deleted and you want to recover them. Include important details like the date the videos were deleted and any relevant account information. If there is an option to attach files or screenshots, make sure to include them as proof to support your request. After that, submit the request to Meta support and wait for a response. Meta will usually review your case and get back to you through your registered email or in-app notifications. Keep in mind that recovery is not always guaranteed, but submitting a support request is the official way to try to restore deleted videos. That's it. That's how you can recover deleted videos on Meta AI in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.